Good evening everyone. Today in this offline video I am going to discuss with this topic that chemical related to chemical properties of alcohol. Chemical properties of alcohol which includes reactions. And the first reaction which I am going to discuss, that is reaction due to breaking of OH bond. What is the alcohol? Alcohol is ROH. Now this one, if I take CH3O and H, so what will happen? This bond has to break. So what will be? There is formation of CH3O negative and H positive. So this is called alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion. So first reaction related to alkoxide ion. Why we found this kind of alkoxide ion? One property, that is acidic property. We'll explain this in related to acidic property. Second one is esterification reaction. This is one, and second one is esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. Now in esterification reaction also means esterification means formation of ester. Now this ester can be formed from carboxylic acid also, from acetyl chloride also. So two way we can form ester by using alcohol. So that two reaction will be here, and there will be another will be acidic property by with the help of this ROH bond. OH bond when it will break, how it will be explained. So this is one method, one reaction. Second reaction due to breaking of CO bond. Now what is CO bond? Means this one is related to what is CO bond. These are the subtype. R means CH3OH. So this is the molecule. Now here this bond will break. So what it will be? It will be hydroxide ion, and this side will be CH3 positively charged. Okay. So because this one is electron donating group, CH3 is a electron donating group, so positively charged. So now as when the bonds are breaking, there is a formation of different kind of ion. So the our type of reaction will also change. In this group, we are going to study reaction with hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide means whether it is HCl, HBr and HI. This part already we have discussed in haloalkane chapter for the formation of haloalkane from alcohol. So this part already we have discussed, these two parts. Another one is reaction with phosphorus halide and thionyl chloride. This also we have studied in haloalkane chapter. You might have remember, phosphorus halide means PCl3, PCl5, then PBr3 and PI3. PBr5 and PI5 does not exist, so that I will not write. So phosphorus halide means PCl3, PCl5, PBr3 and PI3. And what is the formula of thionyl chloride? This also we have done, SOCl2, thionyl chloride. So these two paragraph already, those two type of reaction already, but still I will go once again. Then next one is hydration of reaction. Hydration means removal of water, formation of alkene. So when there will be a hydration reaction, there will be formation of alkene. And the last one is reaction is oxidation. Like we have studied in the preparation, that due to reduction alcohol is produced, and alcohol is formed from aldehyde and ketone. If it is a ketone, then secondary alcohol. If it is aldehyde, then primary alcohol. We have done, that is by reduction method. Here opposite. If oxidation will take place of alcohol, then further we are getting, after oxidation, product we are getting aldehyde ketone, and you know that aldehyde further oxidation in carboxylic acid. So this reaction detail we are going to study. And last one is uses of alcohol, especially we are taking two alcohol, that is methanol and ethanol. So write it down, these are the topics I am going to discuss today. Okay, first one is reaction due to breaking of. This one will do first property, that is acidic property of alcohol. Now here, by which terms we can say that it is acid, it is having some acidic property. For example, first of all, to understand this, you have to remember your or recapitulate your previous concept. We have done that Lewis acid and Lewis base. What was Lewis acid and Lewis base? Lewis acid means electron donor. Electron acceptor. Acid is electron acceptor and Lewis base is electron donor. Similarly, another scientist, that is Lowry Bronsted. This concept again will do in ionic equilibrium chapter. Lowry Bronsted, according to this same concept, but it is in terms of proton. So proton donor is acid. Proton donor is acid and proton acceptor will be base. Proton acceptor is base. Now understand this, just opposite relation but the concept is same. Who is the electron acceptor means proton donor, opposite. Electron donor means proton acceptor, because electron and proton is concept is opposite. So that's why which one? Proton acceptor base, electron donor base. Then electron acceptor acid, proton donor is acid. So concept is same, but Lewis given in terms of electron and Lowry Bronsted is given in terms of proton. So this one concept you have to understand, and another concept, it is detailed, it is there in ionic equilibrium. Remember, if it is acid, after dissociation, whatever it will be, this is only acceptable for weak electrolyte. Means when it is weak, it is the reversible reaction. Means whatever reactant will be react, they will give you product, and side by side again the product will convert it into reactant. So it is a reversible. So acid, when it is dissociate, and it will give you, suppose here it is CS3 OH. When it will break the bond, what it will form? It will form CS3O minus. Now this one is alcohol we have taken. This is alcohol. CH3O negative. Okay, so this one is alcohol and this one is alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion. Now in this reaction, acid, whatever they are forming after the reaction, it will be called as conjugate base. Okay, conjugate base also. Okay, similarly, if it is a base, suppose it is base, suppose water I have taken H2O. Okay, base, after reaction, what will form, whatever it will be formed, that will be called as conjugate acid, opposite. So after reaction you will see that there is formation of H3O plus. So this one is hydronium ion. So this one, in the beginning it was base and after the reaction it become conjugate acid. So these are the few terms which I will explain in the acidic property of alcohol. So first you write, this is a basic concept. This concept is all, again it is given, and the detailed chapter is called ionic equilibrium. So in that chapter it is again we will discuss, but now for the time being, whatever the gist I have given, just write it down. So next one, you just write the reaction for this. This is, I am rubbing. So write the reaction for this. ROH H2O, when it is dissociate in water, this bond will break. Alkoxide ion will form. So it is one pair. So what happened in this structure? Hydrogen was, this is the structure of water. Now this hydrogen is accepting this lone pair of electron and it become hydronium ion. So take the concept in opposite way. So how it form? It is accepting the electron. So accepting the electron, that means here the electron is giving or electron is donating. So electron donating means proton is accepting. Okay, so this hydrogen bond, this hydrogen is attached with here. Okay, so it becomes H3O plus. So this hydrogen, what is happening? This hydrogen is accepting electron. So acid, accepting electron. Okay, and this one is, this oxygen is donating electron to hydrogen, so it will act as a base, which I have explained just before. So that is the concept. You just reverse way you understand. This hydrogen is joined with this and becoming H3O plus, and how they are joining? By accepting this one lone pair of electrons. So accepting lone pair of electron, so it become acid, accepting electron, and this one donating electron. So that's why base. So simultaneously what we will write? This one will write is alkoxide ion is conjugate. Alkoxide ion is a conjugate base. So we can call this one alcohol. That why it is been told that acid property is very less. This is the reason it can explain on the basis of, and in your textbook it is written it is act as Lewis base. Okay, so that is the Lewis base means it is conjugate base. So this is this all about the concept of acidic property of alcohol, which is nullified, which is negligible, and that's why we call that it is neutral. Negligible, that's why it is called neutral when it is aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means when it is reacting with water. So this same concept now we will take for next property, that is esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. So what is the reaction? Take first I will write alcohol ROH plus reacting with acid. So here this bond will break, and here this bond will break. So what happened? There is a exchange of, this one is exchange. So this ion, alkoxide ion, it will be exchange of alkoxide ion is exchanged with OH ion. So what we are getting? R, here to dash RO, this one C double bond O, R dash plus H2O, and this condition is always in acidic condition because this reaction takes place in presence of H2SO4. So this is a in acidic reaction, acidic condition. What happened? There will be exchange of, this is also a nucleophilic substitution. Why? Can you tell me what is the nucleophilic? What is the exchange over here? Here OH ion, OH is exchanging with RO. So see, place is changing. No, this one OH, it is joining here. This OH is coming here. That's why H2O bond is forming. So who is exchanging? The nucleophilic substitution takes place in between alkoxide ion with OH ion. Okay. So nucleophilic substitution between this, because both are nucleophile. So that's why this nucleophile is exchanging alkoxide nucleophile. This is negative. This is also negative. This is also negative. This is also negative. So both are negative charge are exchanging. So write it down. For example, we have taken CH3CH2OH means ethanol reacting with ethanoic acid. So here where the bond will break? Bond will break in between O and H. So again there will be a exchange of nucleophile. This is another one nucleophile. Bond will break here. So this is another nucleophile. So these two will exchange, and what will happen? This one will be exchange over here. So what we are getting? This OH will come here. This group will go and attach over here. So what this group is? CH3CH2O, or you can write C2H5O. I have written C2H5O joining with whom? Joining with this carboxylate ion. So C double bond O and CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So what you are getting? We are getting ethyl acetate. So what you will write in language, ethanol when reacts with ethanoic acid in acidic condition, or you can write here H2SO4 also concentrated. What we are getting? We are getting ethyl acetate. So this is a ester. This is formation of ester. So this reaction, this esterification reaction, this is the first reaction. We have second property, but in esterification, esters are forming from, ester is formed from carboxylic acid. This one is from carboxylic acid. So I said in this esterification reaction, three type of reaction. One ester is formed from carboxylic acid. Next one will go for acetyl chloride, and third one is anhydride, acetic anhydride. So let's now next one will do. Okay. Next one, same esterification reaction. Now ester will form when alcohol reacts with acid anhydride. I have written reaction of alcohol with acid anhydride. Then also there is a formation of ester. And alcohol formula you know, acid anhydride means RCOOCOR means, or you can write this one is RC double bond O. This one will be twice along with oxygen. Okay, so oxygen bonded with two molecule of carboxylate ion. Okay, and here also nucleophilic SN1. So nucleophilic substitution. So with both are nucleophile. So alkoxide. This is alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion will exchange with carboxylate ion. Previous one, what we have done? RO minus, that is alkoxide, exchange with OH. So if you understand who are exchanging, then product is easy. So first I write this one, ethanol, C2H5OH, reacting with this one is R, I am taking different, CH3, C double bond OO, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, so now what it will be? Carboxylate ion will be exchanged. So this is the carboxylate ion with whom? With, I'll give this bond so that you will understand. This bond will break. So this is nucleophile. So it will exchange with, this will exchange with this. Okay. So what will product? Two product you will get. CH3CO this. Okay. Okay. Let's write. CH3CO this group here. So O C2H5, and this one will be here. Another product will be CH3COO and H. This one, this whole group will come here. So what you are getting? CH3COOH, and this one will come here. So what you are getting? CH2H5OCOCH3. So two product we have got, and this one is ester, this one is ethyl acetate, this one is ethyl acetate, and this one is acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Ethanol, ethanol. Now what is the group? CH3COO twice. CH3CO twice with O. So it is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Understood? This one I can write like this: CH3COO. So CH3C double bond O. This one is twice and joined with O. Okay, write it down. This is the third reaction, that the reaction of alcohol with acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is also called as acyl chloride. So what is the formula of acetyl chloride? You have done. This is one Friedel-Crafts acylation, alkylation, acylation. So this is acylation. So RCOCl. And here what is the exchange? Nucleophilic substitution between alkoxide ion and chloride ion. Alkoxide ion with chloride ion. This one is chloride ion. So take one example. Write ethanol C2H5OH. OH here it is bond. Okay, OH bond is there. OH bond is there. Reacting with acetyl chloride. So CH3C double bond O Cl. Write it down. Ethanol, acetyl chloride. When it is reacting, what it will be? The exchange will be between alkoxide ion, means this one with exchange with this, means this product will come here and H will join here. So what it will be? Do the exchange. So what will happen? With this one will be Cl will come here, this one will go there. So what is the product you are getting? CH3, this one you write C double bond O, and Cl, in place of Cl you will write this group. So this one is O C2H5 plus HCl. So what is this? It is again ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. So these are the three type of reaction where esters are forming. First reaction is reaction of alcohol with carboxylic acid. Second one we have got alcohol with acetic anhydride, and third one is alcohol with acetyl chloride. So main thing you have to understand which substitution nucleophilic reaction is taking place between which two groups. Here it is ROCl. First one was RO and OH, and second one between RO and carboxylate, RCOO, carboxylate. So first one, second one was RO between RCOO, carboxylate. Or I will write here dash because that is a different R group. So these are the esterification reaction. The second one, that is reaction due to breaking of CO bond. I will do it tomorrow, and again I will upload that. Okay, thank you.